Welcome to my channel. Welcome to my channel. Today we are learning some different activities. You should try at your home. This is a very easy activity. There are some pictures, balloon, ball, and candle, and they are balls. First, read the question. Draw small of the given picture. A balloon has to draw one balloon. So let's go. Next is ball. So ball. Next picture is bat. Bat has the Next is candle, small candle. Let's do the other worksheet. There are some different patterns. So I have to draw. First read the question first. Copy pattern. Very easy pattern draw. You should use the scale. Now let's done. We'll do the next activity. In this activity, I have pictures. First, read the question. Color the object on your right side and take the object on your left side. This is my right hand and this is my left hand. I have to color the right hand and take the left hand. So let's start. Yellow. Yellow is the right hand side. So I have to color it. Lamp is the left side. Up is my right side. I have to color it. Sun is my left side. So I have to take it. It is on my right side. I have to color it. See the left side. This activity is so colorful. One picture is here. I have to count the picture and color the box. First picture is smiley face. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 smiley face. Okay, color it. Color the 5 for the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Picture is kite. How many kites here? 1, 2, 3. 3 kites here. So I have to color the box. 1, 2, 3. Next is the head. Okay, count this. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 head. So I have to color the 4 boxes. 1, 2, 3, 4. Pen. 1, 2, 2. 2. So I have colored the 2 boxes. 1, 2. How many balloons are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 balloons are there. I colored the 4 boxes. 1, 2, 3, 4. So let's count the stars. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4, 5. 5 are the stars. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's done. Very interesting activity. Enjoy it. Like this activity? Thumbs up. So let's start the next activity. In this activity, I have to count the corners. First picture is triangle. Let's count the sides. 1, 2, 3. Yes, 3 sides. Okay. Triangle has 3 sides. This is coin. Coin has 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 sides. This is hexagon. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 hexagons. This is pentagon. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 with side. 5 sides. Circle. There's no side. 0. This is octagon. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 sides. Rectangle. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 sides.